What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out this special video. There are so many ways to make money online, thousands of ways. But in this video, I will show you my most favorite and efficient method to make money online. Are you ready?
Here is what you learn to hit your income goals. In Level 1 we'll be focusing on the following key ingredients. Activating your inner success mechanism. Most people fail because they're programmed to fail. Learn to reprogram yourself. Strategic product selection. How to find great products to sell that are in high demand in the marketplace. Strategic and unique positioning in the marketplace. How to make yourself stand head and shoulders above your competition. Messaging. Getting very clear on what your core message is. You want to be a meaningful, specific. Core skill sets in marketing. You must understand traffic generation and how to drive large amounts of highly targeted visitors. Multi-channel prospect acquisition. You'll learn how to strategically build and grow a big list fast using the MCPA strategy. Customer acquisition. This means getting sales. You'll learn how to convert your prospects into customers and later ravings fans. Creating multiple streams of income. Right from the beginning, learn to set up multiple streams of passive and automated income. Development of your central hub. This is the single most important ingredient for your long-term success.
Cool, right? To download this product, all you have to do is click on the link below and it'll take you to the page where you can download it. Thanks for watching.